Okay, my people, now welcome back to my channel. How una dey? I hope una dey fine. How everything? I hope everything dey fine with una. For me, as una dey see, I dey fine. I thank God for everything. My people, I don't come back again with another news, another ogbonge one. Wey be say, if you see this one, my people, it go chocolize you. Everywhere don't read, my people. I say only me one not go see this video. Make una also see this video, make una settle down, watch this video till the end. I beg my people also, if you never subscribe to this channel, what do you they wait for? As you they subscribe, you could see more video like this one. Okay, my people, I beg, make una subscribe, like and share. For this junction, I go to leave una. Make una watch the video, and I go also see you now for the next one. Okay, my people, see you all. Stay blessed. Stay cool, and I love you all, and bye-bye.
Jemiti, why you doing it? If I want my media. When we are planning, I are tea, when we are lads. They saw me. Oh, yes, sir. One of them, you know, West Side. Unam yamia ever since. If, oh, no problem. You may be thief. You fuck penny finish. You say they go meet your husband for penny. How many husband you marry? Now 2 husbands. You get about penny as a concubine where you still they fuck. You come and you say you come for royal family. You know what to be royal family. Me and you come for royal family. Me and you who come for royal family. Princess Odohunoghie. If you know that name, fear no go let una come out. Fear. If Odohunoghie they visit una, I be good mother. They bring things down. They beg for una. You say, Dina gamo bome odohunoghie. Many people they talk her. Many are they see their video. So they call it the Mofi. They tell her, say that princess do like that. And they laugh. If you really they see, Princess Ologo, if you really they see, now you're supposed to even answer. Make the change for their character. If you really they see, you for know what kill Oguname. You know they see anything that deceive you be. You hear Princess Ologo. If you really they see, you for know. You for know. You know fear. You open mouth, say you draw line. You open mouth. Hello?
Hello, come on, level.
Come.
Come on.
Yo. Avec ça. Hello, I'm hearing you.
Hello, Mama.
Yeah? Hey, you want?
Are you a believer, man?
Oh, yes, say, Idu, Igodomigodo. Eihi.
Ah, okay, call you.
Yeah.
Come on. Italy, I can go, I can call you.
Yeah. Go at 7 water. Yeah.
On a minute, Mama.
My sister, iti mi na mama una give me anything. Una give me. Veni aya dole doji, veni aya dole. Idu igodomi godoji. Avian ne tori. Avian ne yavo. Astesos give me. Ama when it don't win an individual.
Okay.
On you who astesos give me. Jena. And any person when he go planning for against me, the thing go reverse back to her.
Okay.
Yes. He go reverse back to her. Go. He win a number.
Because I'm not going to win a man. You know, go get it. One of the followers waiting. Il est social media and Facebook.
Okay.
So, when I'm about watch you, I'll go.
Oh, you know? Yeah.
So, I got one Jimmy. As a native woman, never was, never general, do here.
Yeah.
So, I don't mean, so sometimes I don't need to send my parents Me so no ma me very sure mom everything. Up my so anytime the parents I prefer to tell other people maybe they will explain more better to because but you when you are you know see how to will be you know the tattoo all those kind of something you know so I see so the one we are going and he work about it like as a woman well like the one we are and they see me I have the day no tie by understand when I'm speaking for the truth so I don't know where you mean I mean do I tell you mommy that's why explaining mommy no me
amake on your own na we ladia igele ege tu gele mina oga tin ya we bi were e tama we wetin ya ge were nu do ya no me erude ni do nwina ni wi agbo emi ne edo abi ibi ewi ma na egulo yeze emi no sunu emi na vai dasi wedo ancestors in agieme ni do give a
you get your generally do you know where I was
no I just talk her for example say honor me where
for this one mighty name of Jesus. No. Sorry, mommy.
Okay.
Now, mommy, you're born very well.
Okay.
You're born very well. You never make it. You understand, and I don't do such nonsense. And can you have the social media? That is their own fucking business.
Yeah.
I rebuke it in the blood of Jesus. Come, mommy, the one you are going on like. So I feel where maybe you are someone that can also call. So where explain this dream for me. Jeremiah explain a dream, mama. You are another pastor and explain dream. I'm one of the followers of Jeremiah. I swear. Thursday and Friday in the Papa Yahweh line. If we cannot find a man now, I understand. So the dream is about something where or touch so we are out when I go a dream, understand. That was the reason why I called. I didn't call you for another thing. Okay?
Okay. The reason in a Latin when one princess near tie obanamen but na oba no emi not I only do address imaladia to interpret dream agui ma
yes no problem no problem mommy no problem sorry to even call at all
no you are free to call you are free to call you are free to call
yeah come on call ye no baba call ye baba yo sagboro come bye
my people now if that woman they really they see road if you know wetin kill oguname hello
God bless you my dear hello God bless you
you
where are we social media where are we broadcast
yeah
where are we broadcast so that color that you work knowledge interpret when interpret it dream male
yeah
ukiole or akeke color ukiole no tama dream knowledge dream agmori wonia interpreter male
okay
then akitama fo uki give all you go come back. You will tell us say you will come back. They will give her the meaning.
Okay.
If a day around, I go interpret them for her.
Okay.
My dear, people are. You know what I see yesterday night? I sent you West Record before.
I see her.
They put Ojuku was there. Ojuku was in the meeting.
Yeah.
They sit down and surround table. That is all of everybody fighting for the freedom. All of them. No one will fight with them.
Yeah.
And succeeded. Every native doctor in Ishaland, in every Nigeria, no one will point finger. There is one that call you say, why are you covering? Why you cover your face? Not be you cover anything. They cover them. And his own medicine have dissolved. All the juju when he get, everything dissolved. When they say he wants like your enemy, but that hand, if before we stroke, the stroke don't hold him. I'm telling you what I have saw.
Yeah.
It's real. I'm telling you, I don't say lie. I'm not a pastor. I'm not a reverend. I'm not a native doctor. but I tell you what I have experienced there. That one own is condemned. So, that is that. Just speak. Tell them, just speak with boldness as you are doing.
I don't carry this news until I see
boasting or raking or whatever. You said it, if you come out for them, if it delay small, but it will come to pass.
Yeah.
We ordain you. When if is only kene agbe omale tole oya kene kilo omale kuzo. That is the music they sing. I thank God I can still remember.
Thank you.
In a big cloud, there is a woman that speak again. There is one woman that come and start telling them the truth. That woman, they lift that woman up. And I live, you know, but it did their music, but it tell them the truth. I don't know her name. There is another one that speaks rubbish. They tell her, say, if you don't go back and repent, they take something from inside her body. I don't know what they say they will take. People are behind you. Only just tell them, Oba of Benin, when he deceived, go on. Since that time till now, what happened? You know how many people that died? You know how many people that died and how many people is still dying today? Only God knows. Okay. So that is just all. Not too much time.
Abu brother.
Not too much time, but we thank God. God bless you. God bless you. You remember it.
Thank you, sir.
You remember it. Yeah. All right, bye. Bye. God bless you.
Thank you.
God bless you. Yeah, come.
Obaname. Weshogu wegele begi. Obanologu. Ubegi. Netu begi. Uga emi no gbogun na me. Ubege mi rokman. E deceive you ye. Asawo ukun. Asawo. Oge na ya na iwi azenegi no rizobo street. Okay. A goddess. True goddess that walk with God. That work with good ancestors. Not be mago. If una see white, una go turn out to black. Nah. So why una just do me to finish? You can't say na Jew. You want still tell you say you draw line. If you find out. Why you not find out before? You know, say you use that one, bring yourself down. You bring yourself down. Who wake you one not there, ni weak me wugi. Oh here. Ancestors see you working. Before you come out boldly talk, you go look your left, you go look your right, you go check what really happened. But you no check. You know where here ya gwegwa abanologo ogunologo ya gwegwa na gele ladia. Ave enye roba no ya sora de gbewe o magi kozotiyan o magi neta e mata yin ageleta we no megu we bege we obana meuhin oguna meuhin ono na uhin magi ati mae kola jadwa.
Hello mama.
Hello mama.
Mama lage wa. Mama
go.
Mama, good morning.
Good morning, oh.
Mama. Mama, you see, good morning, ma. God will bless you. You see, as they say, they eat our people money for social media.
Yeah.
That our sister will call you just now.
Yeah.
Now, he no say to.
Okay.
Now, so they say they shop their money. As that lady now, he dream. You don't know the dream when he dream. Then be the dream very serious.
Yeah.
They say, may call them for back. You see, they say, may call them later, though it's a preacher for her. And later now, if you don't call them, they'll say, may go bring 50,000 naira.
Yes.
You see, they'll start from there. Now so this Ojekia, this obanamen, we go they sleep with Oba, this useless brishy woman.
Yes.
Now so they eat our people money. They know they see anything, they be fake.
You see,
Fake. Now they be fake to the core. You see, as this woman call now saying dream, you don't know the kind dream. Before our brother uncle say, he go they interpret for them.
Yeah.
If not them now, people like Obanamen and Iyore, they use our people, they make money. All those who are called, they run up and down. They'll go, they find money for where they not put. They'll go, they send out, give them. They'll go, they professor lie for them. You see, Mama, our people be wise. These people, they be fake.
That
be
is
wise.
it,
Now,
that is it,
government,
maybe
God.
ancestors evil. They tell me, anybody come and want bribe you, say you eat money for waiting. They not say, maybe person say, I not talk again. Enter house, you eat money. They go take my life. They tell me. They tell me.
No, Mama, not be you. Me they tell the word now.
No, me I know. I just say tell you.
Obanamen. I saw they say they do our people.
Obanamen are fake.
You know innocent.
That obanamen are fake.
Now Obanamen now, he go say me go bring money.
Yes.
Go say me go bring money. They see na fear. They be fake.
Na fake it be.
These people are they are fake. Oh. If you no want get sense, God go make una get sense.
Na fake. You know
Mama,
say.
continue. God
You know
go
say
bless you.
ancestors bring the come out.
Oh, now
Make all the
Jekia, that Obanamen are fake. Now Jekia, that girl now Jekia, they send na come.
You hear?
Mama,
He get three.
continue.
Now three
Thank you.
husband get oh. One Oyibo, one black, or Oba of Benin. Now wife of Oba of Benin send na.
Fake everywhere.
I beg you, if Oba get a problem,
Fake.
go. You go feel so, that one
Now
be still look at.
Jekia,
Say he go feel settled.
Obanamen,
You go there, go the fuck Oba. It is me no know her. Me. If anything one they do, una do something for my back. Moment I enter my bed, or moment I sit down for my like this, I dey alone. Now so ancestors go surround me, they tell me, see what they go on, see what they go on, see what they happen. I they know everything. Nothing. But all these children where they bad, where they call, they do everything, why they look there, they be children. Because they deceived them for many years ago. What did they tell their papa? Their papa can't tell all this new our youth now. They don't know. Now make me so insult me. They like Obuname, my children senior. Me we cannot be mate. Wait, because they call me Ashawo. Nothing will not talk about me. You see vision. Say they go hang in at the cano. He said they go hang her. Person when he said they go hang in at the cano. Person when he said they go hang, they alive. But he don't go. The ancestors not tell us say he go die. Or if not really ancestors in the south, they not tell us say, I bet this waiting you they do now not good. Why they not tell her? If not really, me I not read my own, I not practice her. Now tell, then they come, they will tell me. I don't know anything. I not be my power till they do one. Because I don't get power of my own. You see this God that created heaven and earth. Say let there be light. There can be light. He still say darkness. Darkness can come. He created things inside. Not those things with ancestors. With the ojuju where they hide, where they not let their name come out. For Idu Igodo. None of them they fight. I want tell you. If this woman where say it be Obanamen, it they see. I want to tell them the reason when you both bring they want bring many all this thing. Ancestors they see the way when those things they see the way when our people they die for different places. That they kill them, they take pass, they do everything. Obano, you not see all those want to talk. I love for you. I love for you. You just say those images. When me I go where now like this sweat way come out from my body, I go throw away I put. Nothing there. Nothing. You I shall go goddess. You come out. Say you make you view a la me. I say obanamen feto say he give me 17 days. Oh. The way wanna see Isha finish. Na Isha, he go right punana. The ancestors, they go use Isha, bring all una, everything wanna do for that land. Ancestors go use Isha, bring her come out. All una secret go una go come because more for that land. As una no want take time. I be lovely mother. I like people. That is why I don't want. I still even they beg for now. Behind. I they beg for back for now. But una do, this woman when he come and say, he be obanamen. Now obanoro go you be. Obanoro. Now you be. So you know see. You know if he come out. Tell una king. Say see what they follow. Artifact they come. You know come and tell them. They see, say our people they die. Many pennies they go different places. Many people they die. Kidney that they collect our, they will say that they carry our people one go walk. They go give them work because of the suffer of Nigeria. They go kill them for road. Carry them go Saudi Arabia, go they kill them there. Do them anyhow. When all these ancestors see her, now then they fight for the land before. Now they worry Oyibo. Oyibo when they carry her, they see something. Now before Oyibo call una, say they want return a thing with money. Obanoro, you not see that one, make you tell your boyfriend, your man friend, when he build house for you, you not see her tell her. When you go fuck, say that you be royal family. Which royal? You be royal. Where the royal come? Now the ancestors go start with you. You not see her talk. All the whole people come call you say face. You I think I see. You not like truth. And the truth must out. The truth must bring itself out for that land. The truth must out. I want to use opportunity title. Ogiso. Not take lawyer. As all the whole lawyer they eat money they run. Leave there. Not take lawyer. Let ancestors fight. Leave Joker boy for her. Ancestors they got Joker boy there. If anything do Joker boy, Bini go sink. Leave, not take any lawyer, not pay money to anybody. They don't eat our money. Me, I never talk with Joker boy before. I don't know Joker boy. Now ancestors send everything when he talk. The way where there are people for social media, they bring us down. The way if they see certain things, all those things vex all the whole ancestors. With as they tell they bring Igbo down. Bring Biafra down. All those things. Because ancestors tell me say Biafra, Igbo people will be one family. But Oba Benin no want take her. Because he know where he come from. He no want talk. They don't want make that truth come out. You know why Oba Benin they arrest people, they say people. They don't want make that truth come out. And that's let us say the truth must surely come out. That is why they arrest people. They know what that they do. If they let me open this mouth, if they let me open my mouth, waiting they don't do for that palace. If they let me open mouth, a jaga. Okay, so please, not give money to anybody. Leave Joker boy for them. Ancestors want to fight. Leave Joker boy for them. Ancestors, he want to fight. Please, Ogiso, we don't spend money. The great mothers, we don't spend money. We know money when lawyers don't eat, they go wrong. Money when all of them don't eat, we know. Ancestors say, may you not put money again. Leave them with the people when they carry Joker boy. With the people when they put in at the candle, leave them. Leave them. Police they get SARS. They get police where they take army where they take the fight. Leave them. Okay, so now pay money to anybody again. More than leave joker boy for them. So they make una do people go they give her money, make they eat there. Finish. More than leave joker boy. Una go see what go happen. Ray go fall for Benin. Ray go fall. And that ray when he go fall, you know go beat one person. You know go beat one person. As the guayo test start. Now so the ray go test starts. Go take fall. Okay, so you hear what I tell you? Not spend money, not take any lawyer. That money, Mona take they give Joker boy food. Because they talk and they don't fit tell me, ancestors tell me, say, they tell them, not three chief. They tell them, say, that they eat people, you are the Europe money. They tell them, they talk and say, eat this one, eat finish, this one will come out, the other one will. Make una live there. All those people, Ray 1-4 now. Ray 1-4. Leave there. Leave there. Okay, so please. Me, I don't remove my heart for collecting money. I know money where they don't eat. Not take money. Any person where they want give her money, make that they send the paper for you. If my sister they want put, make that they send the paper for you. Make that they put the money for his sister account. Make they go take they give Joker boy money. May not leave. Make the ray when ancestors what make her fall. Make it fall. As they say, there's a big mago matter, there's a big bear matter, there's a big use some of Isha. Leave there. Wanna live there. Make the suru get the dance starts. Wanna live there. Odohunoghie. I want to tell you, you know they see anything, not they deceive children. Not things. Now them warrior you where they want to turn, where they call say that they bring our this thing for us, and they call now they go fight. May not live there. May they not do well. May they not do waiting. May not live there. Oh, may not live there. Ray go fall. The ray. Now only innocent people. Now the ray go live. Only innocent people. Now the ray go live. May not live there. The ray we want for only innocent ones. We don't know anything. But those when they cause commotion for Benin, they cause cry, they let our people die. They bring our people go outside, go they kill, they carry their past. Una go see rain where go fall. Anywhere the day, una go they hear run. They must find me, eh? They must find me at that time. It go too late. It go too late for them to see me. It go too late. But I'm not worried. Or whether na obanamen or princess-inologu. Listen to me. If you know what is good for you, remove mouth for Princess Odohunoghie matter. If you know what it, I never talk to you. I never tell you anything. If you know what it do good for you, because I don't get power of my own. I don't get power. I don't get power of my own. Look at my hands. It clean. No blood from my hands. I never plan evil against person. I never see good they come to person. I will tell them. Then now ancestors send me. Hello?
Hello.
Hello, my people. Hello,
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I hear you.
May I contribute more? This thing, what did they call now? Obanamen. May I answer about thing? You know, say all those people they get sense. We want our people to get sense.
Yeah.
Odohunoghie.
Are they here? Oh, now network. Hello? Now network, come back, please. Na network.
Hello, Mama, you hear me?
Yes, I dey hear now.
Hello?
Hello, I dey hear you. I dey hear you.
Network before.
Yeah.
Na network. So make you Obama na gbe o wagbon. He use less.
Na network.
Take time. You hear me, Mama?
Yeah.
Idea. So make you use less. Take part. Julie.
I hear.
Make it use let's say pass Mediterranean Sea, it go may land for you. May not for they collect our people money for say they do about this the way they do for them.
Yeah.
Anything they deceive our state for Europe because of that woman. Because of that someone if I may take go the back cream. Hello, you hear me, Mama?
I dey hear you. I dey hear you.
This network, now your. Hey.
Okay, I bet. May you call later.
Collect, yeah?
May you call later.
You go
May you call later. Make the distance stable. Bless the network.
It's plastic. Don't be people they put for there. You don't know how so you both they manufacture those things. So you don't know.
No.
They say they manufacture.
May you cut, call back again, make the distance stable way. Obanoghie. You say you draw line for me. You draw line. Hello?
I use the other network to call you.
Okay.
Their plan will talk and finish.
Yeah.
The money we are small girls they make for Italy, those things, those places. Now if they go they give, they'll say that it's snake.
Yeah.
And people don't fully snake, so they call their first snake. One day all Saba, he say now one snake, one big python, now it's big. I don't understand though. Why people will call their first snake where they not big? You they feel headache, you say now snake, you don't see snake, now so you won't die, now so that they worry you. And you know nothing now when their mother use their heart take force for their body. Their mother don't go put her for bad things. You see, will go they worry the pikin. They'll go carry their problem and go give that dirty woman. There's no money whether they get or they spread that for that one. It was say na Amborogo. Now the goddess waiting. Make it sure follow Mediterranean come. We will be mommy water. We not the talk there. Understand?
Yeah.
Me they tell people if you from Europe, just from Mediterranean entire year, you be on fine. If you don't know, you will get power pass all those people there because you pass that place. Because you know will be pass and come. Many mommy water they live there, they not pass. They say they not they come. If you ask them, they'll tell you say no. Their mother say they not pass them. Their mother say they not come. Will say no good. Will say they will die for inside that place. Make it pass down now. If he get the man, say the Obama, I will come. All those kind of things we don't want. We want to banish all those native doctors, all those people who don't see anything. We know they see something. They native doctor we are look for it and land. You know when they cure pain, when they give them pregnant, who no fit get belle, he go get belle, he go born. When they born, not the other way they talk rubbish, come outside, talk all those nonsense. They people forgive them money. Obama they know how to build one. How am I not going to work with Buname? Now, it is what you're supposed to do for the first time. Let me they talk about they make the manufacturer one come outside because they be foolish people. They can go touch down for cemetery way they are the most sure the way they there. They tell us, oh, Buname, may you get up, you be obanamen. You have to get up. Not be you the challenge your energy for waiting. Where you go put your hands on a very bad place. Understand? So, Mama, may I leave you?
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. My people, Obanoghie will say, he draw line for me. Not be me you draw for ancestors. So, all these things when they happen, you never come and talk to your boyfriend, say, wait, this thing when they happen for our land, it not good. You don't come and talk, you they see. How they deceive people, eh? Not the deceive, eh? Hello?
Hello, Mama.
Eh?
Mama.
Yeah.
I want to sing for the word.
Okay.
For with our language.
Okay.
For what you talk just now. My people wanna listen to. Uga mi amena bire Nigeria. Uga mi amena bire the state. Ugbori no. Tomorrow don't worry. It goes so shake. It goes so shele. You tell Hopi where may leave Joker boss for them. Then they give her food for them.
Yeah.
And who can we don't leave them. So we don't leave them for them. But now they by themselves. Now they go run. The water where they come, so the railway one for now I don't feel all now. We they tell now for grand. No, not talk say we not tell now. Then we they tell now say Mona use on our brain. If you no one use on our brain, on our far for up. Nothing they do now, no problem. Now that one I want to seek for the Ugami amena bire Nigeria. Ugami amena bire dote. Ugbori no. Uno day yet go come out. The 2 days saying na evil. He they support the all those evil doers. All of them now. Now see where it go up. Our ancestors say more time now before it happen. Not be we want that now. Our ancestors want follow now fact. Okay. Thank you, Mama. Now that one be my contribution.
Thank you, my dear. You do well. You do well.
I hope no.
My people, Obanologu, I want to tell you, I never get waiting I tell you now. Be careful. Be careful. Not get my hear you. Not be your message when the same person they go. I know you pass yourself. I know you pass yourself. Be careful. Be careful, my dear. Yeah. Be careful. So you just come out say now you want to odohunoghie. Oh la la. You not thinker. You say you be seer. You the see road. Now you the thief pennies. Now you they send a message go palace. Now pennies you go the you call the few. Now you una got baby na pupa con. Una igual ye kioba you know got pay. Una ladinha. Hama muwe. Now well don't know go out do face. Oh, can egg no way yamie vai wo bo. We ogai mo gbogun na me. We man. Oh, whole goddess as you claim to be. Hello. Please. The one where you tell they watch me, may you off. Hello. The one
Hello, Mama. Good evening. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hello, Mama.
I they hear you. All the whole world they hear you.
Who are you?
I'm walking of you.
Good day, Mama.
Bosha.
Where they are? Where they are? So, I can't do no papa. Okay, well, Ojo papa no where they don't. So, every yeah. Menstruation Ọ̀rẹ́ dàgbò ní ìmọ̀bọ̀mọ̀ dàgbé, Ude dàgbé,
Ise.
Ejé ní kú ọ dàgbé, Ejé Nàìjẹ́ dàgbé, Ejé nìyí ọmọ fi gbólé.
Ise. So shall it be.
Jẹ́ kì gbé, Ejé léyà jẹ́ kì gbé.
Ise.
Ẹ̀ẹ́dàtẹ́ pàtì ẹ̀ẹ́dàtẹ́ yẹrẹ rẹ̀ bí ayé pé Ude wé kí dàgbé o.
Ise.
Yéé pé ìjẹ́mi mẹ́yẹ mara ẹni kékeré náà fẹ́ ọ̀yùnbó pàkan lókàn náà ẹni mẹ́rọ yìí ẹni ní ìṣẹ́yà ẹni ní oúnjẹ ajá ẹni mẹ́fọ̀mọ́ ẹni mẹ́sàgbègbè ẹ̀ẹ́dà kan lókàn ìnà ẹgbẹ́ ọgbà ọkì ṣẹ́ lòru ọkọ̀ pàtàkì àwọn ọmọ ẹjọ́ kábọ̀ ètò ìjọbẹ̀ mẹ́rin fẹ́ ọ̀yẹ̀ jígo.
Ise.
Ọ̀yẹ̀ jígo ó ti jọ́ká bọ̀ ẹ̀bọ̀ ẹ̀mí ìlú jọ́ká bọ̀ ẹ̀jú. Àwọn àti àwọn ọmọ hà tá ẹ̀wọ̀n wọn mi jọ́ká bọ̀ àti àgbọ̀nà ẹ̀wọ̀n wọn náà fẹ́ kí àgbọ̀nà ẹ̀gbẹ́ náà yẹ wọ́n kí àgbọ̀nà ẹ̀ ti di jọ́ká bọ̀ ẹ̀bọ̀.
Exactly, so shall it be.
Ọmọ mọ̀rọ̀gọ̀ ní àbí ọmọ màpò ní àbí ọmọ mọ́họ̀ ní ẹ̀wọ̀n rẹ̀ jígbó èdè ní òde ní ìlànà ìjẹ́ ní.
Princess Ọmọpò.
Ọba sànọ́tẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ gùn náà mẹ̀rẹ́ sá ọ̀kì ẹ̀rí rẹ̀ ọ̀sán.
Ẹ̀yẹ́ rẹ̀ máa mọ̀ ego àṣẹ. Orí àbá tààrọ̀. Hello.
Mo bọ̀wọ̀ gbóni menstruation gbóni. Àtẹ̀bí ẹ̀gbọ́n rí ẹ̀gbọ́n.
Orí àbá network. Ancestors ọdímúgbégbé ẹ̀. Èmi ṣoṣo dàlú ọmọ ní sàn gbígbé bí ẹ̀rí kan ní. Orí àkànnà. Princess Akpu when they smell. You not soak for Gary, you know rara for Akpu. If you na goddess, na really true goddess, you go know what he kill Oguname. The dance when Oguname said, who get a dance when he go dance? I did be do in you. If you not believe, say, na me kill Oguname. I not go feel deny. If I not go feel say no, not be me. I not go feel say yes, na me. That. Wetin kill Oguname, the evil day, the power when you go acquire. You see that ancestors when they bring they come. Now this striker. And then strike Oguname. Mona go find out. Now the true word. And all of una, as soon as they plan, the thing go visit all of una around, one by one. If una no find solution, una dey say san. Eme saga gbogbo oh, you see, when you say be Princess Amoro, he say me no say as he not strong, he not do like this. Me can't do, but you no find out. Not be say you don't find out. Now you call the draw line for me. You never find out. You call the draw line. Igbiagia princess. You know what it be obaname? Obaname. Efiha. Any person will be really obaname. Efiha. As the son make I tell you the real one. You know they do like this now. Direct they see where he stand. He go they shake head. He go they say he go they talk what he see. I want to tell you all this propaganda. Wanna take they collect people money with. They use olokun. They use Vivier. They use all these things. Different things they collect. Small children when they suffer, they go set to for for Italy, for different place. When I tell they collect their money, the ancestors don't say no to it. If you not live am, all of una will see what you not define. Ancestors say make I tell you. Say make I tell you like that. You they see. Now you don't know what they bring problem for Benin. The way when the palace they spoil, the way when la life food there, the way when they know they touch roots, they go see white, they go turn out to black. People go come summon there. They go frustrate people when they summon case. You be obanamen. You know see her? Or you be princess of obanamen. You know see her? Not the more not they put big name when you not fit to not give on herself, eh? More not they do. Something concerning Atifa, you not see, you don't know where did they come back for that thing? You not see her to talk. You say you draw line from me. A whole seer, a whole person when he carries snake, rubber snake, he pass her only body. You not see her. That snake, any man for Benin go fi make her. Una get company to do her. That rubber snake, una get company for Benin. Ah, and they ask you when say he be princess Amoro. And they ask you, you know fear. You know see old people picture for your palo, or your papa when he born you. No old man picture for there. You come out, you say you draw line. If not so, it take happen. But you know, find out before you come, they make mouth. They carry your breachy face, come out, they make mouth. Eh? You know, fear. You know, they say may you come so that me. When ancestors beg for many years before I can accept. You think that money I can't find? My husband, they take care of me. If they take care of me, Abi, you hear since when I'm married, I don't go sleep with another man. You hear her? I not be like you. Deceiver. I not be like you. Ask about Benin, the time when he did for Italy, where I never married, whether I see my private part. Ask her. Ask about Benin. The time when we come, they cook food for them there. Ask her. Are you out of your mind? You know what you did talk? You think I be like you? Person trusting you, send you. See waiting, go and help me for palace. You read there, you start to wash pennies for mouth. You come out. Use that mouth where you take the wash pennies, take the turtle. Princess of ancestors. Princess of odohunoghie. Princess of ogebekme. Princess of all the whole juju where they're silent. They don't want me their name come out for. You do it go do me good. You call the turtle. Now you get the land. You get the